darken it. No pores around here. You have to... Crisis averted. Alright you guys, so today's video is going to be the first in my new series called New Makeup Monday. Every Monday I'm going to sit down and test new makeup, talk about new makeup, like a will I buy it, an anti-haul, just chat with you guys, or test out a bunch of new products. Today's video happens to be my Sephora sale. Can you even see that? Oh, I almost showed my address. Alright, this is the Sephora box from my massive Sephora haul, my most recent Sephora haul. I'll have it up in the eye in case you missed it. I got a lot of stuff during the VIB sale, but I've also gotten a lot of products in PR lately that I haven't tried, so I'm going to try some of that out too. I pretty much have enough for a full face of testing new makeup, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do turn on the notification bell, show me some love on Instagram as well, and follow me on my other social media, which I'll have somewhere up on the screen. And let's get into this video. All right, so I actually do have a skincare product that I want to try out because I haven't moisturized my face today. It is 2 p.m. and I have not moisturized my face, but we're gonna do that now. This is the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. So I really want to try this out. I actually didn't need any moisturizer. Probably shouldn't open this until I finish my other ones, but I'm actually really almost out of my other ones. I just broke. I hate opening packs. I hate breaking the boxes. Even though I end up throwing them away like almost instantly, it just, I feel bad. People work on the cartons, you know? Like, literally broke it. Hopefully I like it. This is the packaging. It is so cute. I think Pharmacy does the cutest packaging. I actually own their honey mask, I think it is. I got it in BoxyCharm. Similar packaging. It has a spatula and everything just like this, and it's a bag. This is the cutest thing. Like, seriously, packaging. Sucker for packaging. They got an A+. But let me put on my little cat ears. I can't wait to see how I like this. Obviously, I can't tell you like how I feel about it yet, but I mean, I can give you my first impression. It's very, very creamy. It's not like a gel-like consistency, kind of like the way I thought it would be. Like, based on the pictures online, I thought it would be more gel-like. I'm just gonna take the spatula, put some on my face. I actually learned the other day not to throw these away because otherwise your product dries out a lot more quickly than you want it to. So I've been trying to keep these, even though they're really annoying and I just want to throw them out. Don't do it. Just don't. Oh, it has a smell. It smells very natural though, like a honey. Oh, there's another scent in there. What is it? This is an intense moisturizer that replenishes dry, distressed skin. Ceramides and honey protect the skin's moisture barrier. All right, it definitely feels really moisturizing. It's not too thick. It's like the perfect consistency. It's like right in the middle, not too thin, not too thick. I get really red in general, so if you notice that I get red from touching I just get red from touching my face. It's just the way it goes. Oh, shea butter. That's what I'm smelling. First impressions, I really like it. If I really, really enjoy it, it'll be like in my monthly favorites soon or something, so you guys can actually get a full review on this. All right, I did have a couple options for eyes, but I really want to use this palette again. I've used it a couple of times, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna use completely new colors today that I haven't tried out. There's so many colors in this, but this is the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. I love this brand so much. I think it's one of my favorite eyeshadow formulas that exists, and I don't hear that many people on YouTube in the American YouTube space talk about it. I love it. It does come from the UK, so you do have to pay shipping, and it's like a $20 shipping. It makes the palette way more expensive, but it's still more affordable than like Charlotte's Tilbury, Pat McGrath, obviously. I feel like the price is justified because of the size of the palette, the quality of the shadows, everything is great. Like, look at all these shadows you get. The Carnival XL Pro is the other palette that I have. I honestly prefer that, the color story of that one, because you could create a full rainbow look with that palette. This one you kind of can. You're just missing like that true yellow, which I hit pan like the crap out of that pan in the other palette, so I just definitely need something more yellow, but it's okay. I'm going to go in with some of the purples today. I think I'm going to create like a crazy purple look, so I want to either go in with this like shimmery purple right here. I'm going to swatch them because I actually have not swatched them. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Or this one right here, which has like a blue. Oh, so this one has a purple pink shift. This one has a blue purple shift. So I just really think it depends on what I'm going for today, like what my vibe is. And I think I'm gonna have to decide later on. I'm gonna go in first with the black. I'm gonna pack on the black in the inner and outer corner. I'm gonna do like a halo eye, I think. These colors I have not touched. I really have only touched like the foresty, like fall, grungy, green, yellow vibes, mustard yellow vibes over there. I totally recommend these eyeshadows, especially if you're new to makeup and you like want to experiment with some color. They definitely have a lot of options. I love that this is like a purple black, because it'll help deepen like the purple, like it'll give exactly the vibe that I want. We're gonna go in with this blackberry shade, which I feel like, well, this one's called Black Beach, but I feel like this is more of a blackberry shade. Like it's really like a purpley black. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with this darker purple shade, and I'm gonna blend out the outer edges of the black and just add the purple to that. That purple reminds me of the one in the XL Pro, by the way. It's like really similar, which I think I also hit pan on. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over with the shade, what's this called? Fruity. It's like a lighter purple, and just kind of make this more purpley and not so black and scary, right? Kind of getting like October Halloween vibes from this look. Probably should have done this look like a month ago, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice the middle of my lid to make that halo eyes pop out a little bit more. Why is my voice going already? All right, now I'm gonna take the shade Amethyst and I'm gonna put that on the inner and outer part of my lid that I just cut. Let's see if I don't think I need to spray this or anything. All right, before I continue, because I'm gonna go crazy, I'm just gonna take a little bit of the black beach shade and just blend the two together so it doesn't look like such a harsh line, because then I can actually like focus on what I'm doing, because it was bothering me. That glitter, that purple glitter shade is beautiful. I love it. Kind of living for it. I think I decided I'm gonna take Starlight. Oh my gosh, that is stunning, you guys. You can totally see my mess, can you? I'm gonna put that in the very, very center. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so pretty. You can't tell me that that's not the most stunning color you've ever seen in your life. Moving on to the face. So I'm gonna prime using the Tatcha. This is the Liquid Silk Canvas. I don't have a new primer. I'm not looking for a new primer, to be honest, so I probably won't buy one for a while. It's time. It's time. I cannot wait to try this out. All right, this is the Pat McGrath. This is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. I don't even want to throw this packaging away. It's so like luxurious. Bottle is so luxurious. By the way, I got the shade Light 4. It might be a little too light, especially because I'm gonna self-tan, like start self-tanning again like really soon. I'm gonna use the It Cosmetics Love is the foundation brush. I don't know if you can get this anymore, I'm sorry. I did swatch it like I said in my haul, and like look at how runny that is. Can you guys see? If it's too light, which actually now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't seem like it's too light. Yeah, never mind. But I did have something to test out, and I might have to test it out in a different video. This is the number 7 Match Made Custom Blend Foundation Drops. So these are like to darken foundation. I got like a dark shade, so if I have a really light foundation, to just be able to darken it, deepen it. How do I say that? Anyway, let me shake this because I feel like it is so liquidy. But this claims to, let me see if it says it on the packaging. If not, yeah. Buildable, perfecting coverage, weightless texture, sublime satin finish, runway tested, mother approved. Oh, I love that. It seems really, really light on me. So you know what? I think I'm going to actually be able to test this out today. So this is what the drops look like. That's really, really small. I'm intrigued by it. Wow, this kind of has a similar consistency. I've been into really light coverage lately because my skin has been looking okay, but I don't know if this light of coverage. I might actually switch it out for the right shade, to be honest. This foundation is way too expensive to not have the right shade, like in itself. It gives a really nice natural finish, like a satin. Would you spend this kind of money on a foundation? Now that I'm looking at myself in the mirror, it looks cakey. All right, we also have the concealer right here. This is the shade L2. Is this glass? No, it's just like a heavy plastic, right? This is the wand. It's a smaller applicator than I normally like. Like I like the Tarte Shape Tape applicator. Tarte Shape Tape is my favorite for reference. This actually disperses like a lot of product in one go. And I feel like you get a lot of product, even though it seems smaller, I feel like you get a lot of product in here. It feels a lot thicker than the foundation. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer brush on this side and blend it out. It's much thicker than the foundation. It gives, I feel like, a way better coverage. Right here, it was looking like pore central. My Tatcha never does that. My Tatcha never does me wrong. Like honestly, I could use the worst foundation in the world and Tatcha will save the day. Like she will come in and be like, no pores around here. I've been enjoying using this more than a sponge lately, but we are going to use a sponge on the other side. But first, let me just take my foundation brush and just kind of diffuse the edge right there. I'm gonna take my cloud sponge now. I literally haven't used a sponge in so long, I kind of forgot how to do it. But this is like the best sponge. Oh my gosh, to be honest, I really like this a lot more. It gives like a softer finish. I prefer this side a lot more. So I'm gonna blend the concealer on my forehead and like the rest of my face with the sponge. All right, so we have a few cream products to try out. Liquid cream, I'm not really sure, but these are from Charlotte Tilbury. I really wanted these so badly. I did talk about them in my haul. I showed them to you guys. This is the contour wand. This is the Beauty Light wand, which is the highlighter. So I'm going to start with the contour. Obviously, I got the shade Light Medium, and I've seen people use this, and I've been a little scared for them. I'm not going to lie. It is really intimidating. Like, the color comes out, like, super dark. I love the little floof ball. We're going to apply this. I'm going to do, like, a couple dots. First, I'm scared. What if it comes out too much? Do you just squeeze it? Oh, you have to twist it open, you dumbass. Yeah, see, this color is really scary. Like, I'm just gonna put a little dot right there. It is definitely a contour shade. It's super cool tones. I'm gonna apply like maybe 2 dots for now, and I'm gonna take the sponge. Should I take the sponge? Yeah, let's take the sponge, I guess. Wow, that blended out so easily with the sponge. I'm gonna do the other side with a brush just to keep it even. This is from Benefit. This is the Posy tint. They sent this over to me in PR, and this is a mini. It's so cute. I tried the Cha Cha tint in one of my recent like Halloween videos, I think. This is the other shade. Look at that shade. I just think it matches the eye look really well. Don't normally go for crazy colors like this. Probably shouldn't have put it directly. I don't remember how I applied it in that video, to be quite honest, but probably shouldn't have done it like that, although it works. Oh, it looks so pretty. And I also do have a powder blush that I want to try out. I'll wait to set the rest of my face first. This is a pretty shade. Probably not one I would normally go for. I like a really neutral blush usually. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. I'm gonna take a little bit of the contour and just... Probably took that in too far. Oh my god. Actually, I think it worked out in the end. I really like this. That is my final decision. Now let's try out the highlighter wand. I'm really excited for this. Oh, you're supposed to twist this down. Forgot. So this is like, yeah, okay. Okay, we're good. Crisis averted. This is the same packaging, so I have to twist this on. It says on and off. If you actually read, you might get this. And then squeeze. Let's see how it comes out. I'm so excited. Ooh, this is in the shade Pillow Talk, by the way, if I haven't made that clear. I think it's like the pretty standard shade. I'm just gonna like dot it. Oh my gosh. I've heard that this is like really pretty, like a natural highlighter. I don't know if I should use a sponge. Really liking that. I like the highlighter a lot. It's very natural, which I think is the vibe we're going towards nowadays. All right, it's time to set my under eyes, which desperately need it. I'm just gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury powder, which is my Holy Grail powder, and just tap it under. Hopefully it doesn't cover the highlighter too much. I don't think it did. I'm not sure. It's looking a little patchy over here. The blush. Ugh, I have to fix it. I'm gonna have to fix it with powder, I think. First, I'm gonna go in with blush. This is from Pop Beauty. I've been on their PR list for a few months now, I think. I don't know. But I'm gonna try this shade to go over top. Hopefully that helps tie everything. Oh, that is stunning. Look, let me swatch it. It has a bit of a sheen. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it in the swatch. It has a bit of a sheen. It's really pretty. And I'm not sure exactly where you can get Pop. I will definitely have this link down below. I'm actually gonna go over this mess with bronzer as well. Powder bronzer. It probably will help. I think it looks better. It's still not 100%. I feel like I maybe should have blended the contour a little bit better. I don't know what it is. I don't know what I did wrong. All right, so for powder highlight, I have the Lawless Lucid Skin highlighter. This seems really dark. I did see somebody else use this and it didn't look as dark on their face, so maybe we can make it work. This is the only shade that they offer, which is strange to me, so I don't know. I think that it's blending out really nicely and it blends out into a much lighter shade. So I'm gonna do my lower lash line now. I'm gonna go in with the Black Beach shade really close to my lash line. Then I'm gonna go in with Blackberry. I started taking the Starlight shade as my inner corner highlight before my memory card ran out of memory. So I'm just taking that on the inner corner. And I'm gonna set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Spray. I hope this brings everything together. You know, the foundation is looking really nice. All right, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess. I am gonna wear lashes, but I like to layer on mascara first. I also have this Kiss Lash Glue. I had the clear one, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I loved it so much in my last first impression. I loved it so much in that video, and then it dried out like in a week. But this is what it looks like. It does say to apply to clean, dry eyelids free of moisture or makeup, but it's like, we're gonna do this. Oh wait, before I do that, let me show you what lashes I'm gonna do because I have to put them on really quickly. This is from Tati Lashes. I did get a PR package from them recently, and this is the Pretty Little Thing collab. I just thought these were really nice and glam for this look, and I've been wanting to try them out. This is what they look like. So pretty and fluttery and gorgeous. Yeah, you definitely have to do this one eye at a time. Feels sticky already. I really like that. Wow, they're stuck. Literally. Alright, so I did do this off camera, but I did go in with some purple eyeshadow, like with a white cream liner under, just to make it pop. I went in with this shade and I think it complements the look so well. I don't have anything for lips, anything new, so I'm just gonna like quickly do my lips. This is the NYX Nude Truffle Liner. And I'm gonna go over top of that with this Fenty Unbutton. I haven't used this in like a hot minute. I hope it's not expired, but I'm just gonna like, I think this is gonna make a really nice ombre look. Oh yeah. The last thing I have to test out is this Tousled Waves wand. This is from the brand T3, so I have the entire set. This is the Whirl, or is it the Twirl? Oh my god, I always get confused. But these are the ones with the clamps. I have the whole set. It's over there. We're gonna try out the actual wands. I prefer the ones with the clamp. I'm actually gonna do just a few pieces of my hair. I'm not gonna go crazy with it because my hair actually has this really nice curl after I use the Dyson Airwrap. Definitely due for a wash today though, so I'm gonna wash my hair right after this. This is what the wand looks like. I've been wanting these. I definitely want the rest of them. There's like bigger ones, smaller ones, you know the drill. I'm just gonna curl like a few pieces. I haven't curled my hair with the wand in so long. I forgot what I'm doing. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's definitely not hot. It still gave such a nice curl. To be honest, yeah, my hair just needs to be washed today, so I'm not gonna worry too much about it or anything, but I like this. Maybe I should have gone the twirl instead of the whirl, or the opposite. I'm not even sure what's what anymore. The only thing that people complain about, I can see why. Ugh, it does smell like you're burning your hair. It smells like it's burning. I can live with that if it gives me nice curls. You actually don't even have to hold it for too long. I wish I had one of those gloves though. It's such a pretty curl. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my god, it's stunning, guys. I wonder how the curls last. Definitely gonna keep you guys updated on this. Super recommend this base. It's very pricey, but like I said, worth the money. But yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Just a few things, like recap real quick for this new Makeup Monday situation. I loved everything except the foundation and the concealer. Not 100% sold on it. Everything else, really liking. I like the contour. I think it ended up blending really nicely. I could have probably done a better job when it was still wet. I love this thing. It's still hot, so be careful. I'm living for this. All right, so that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Called new makeup? No. Hello. Come on. Focus.